Hi friends, welcome to Geeks for Geeks. This is a video tutorial on how to remove characters from the first string which are present in the second string. Write an efficient C function that takes two strings as arguments and remove the characters from the first string which are present in the second string, mask string. Let the first input string be test string and the string which has characters to be removed from the first string be mask. We initialize res underscore index, the result index, as 0, which is the index to keep track of processing of each character in input string. And ip underscore index is equal to 0, which is the index to keep track of processing of each character in the resultant string. Second, construct count array from mask string. Count array would be count of a equal to 1, count of k equal to 1, count of m equal to 1, and count of s equal to 1. Third, process each character of the input string, and if count of that character is 0, then only add the character to the resultant string. Finally, put a backslash 0 at the end of the string. Now let's look at the implementation. We have a getChar count array function which returns an array of size 256 containing the count of characters in the past char array. We traverse through the string and for each we traverse through the string and for each character do count of star of string plus I plus plus. Then return the count array. Now let's look at the remove dirty chars function. Remove dirty chars take two strings as argument. First string str is the one from where the function removes dirty characters. Second string is the string which contains all the dirty characters which need to be removed from the first string. We fill the count array from getChar count array function. Initialize ip index and res index as 0 for all the characters of the string. If count of the character is 0, then it is not present in the second string. So add it to the resultant string and do result index plus plus. And while the traversal, keep on updating the input index. Finally, put a backslash 0 at the end of the string and return it. The time complexity of this method is order m plus n, where m is the length of mark string and n is the length of input string. Thank you for watching. Please leave us your likes and comments.